Hello guys, I hope everyone is doing well. My name is Jessica and I decided to come here to record this quick video to bring information about the Neuropathy before you actually buy this product. I have some important alerts, so stay tuned until the end of this video, so you won't have any regrets later. The first thing you should know about Neuropathy is where to get it. People are making fakes and selling fakes out there, so the only place you can get Neuropathy safely is on their official website. To help them, I will leave the link to the official website Neuropathy below in the description box of this video. Watching this video now, you may be wondering what is Neuropathy. For example, remember when you could spend a day, a week or a whole month without worrying about nervous problems that hindered you? It may seem like centuries ago, but with Neuropathy, you can smile and breathe a new sigh of relief. So you might be wondering if Neuropathy really works? Is Neuropathy good? How will Neuropathy help me have healthier nerves? Stay tuned because I'll tell you how Neuropathy will help you improve all this. Neuropathy has a formula unlike anything you've ever tried. Neuropathy promotes healthy blood sugar by providing 5 vital extracts of bioavailable fruits, flowers and bark with essential vitamins and minerals. Each ingredient is backed by research and peer-reviewed studies that prove the effectiveness of the ingredients. By starting to experience Neuropathy, you will start to have healthier nerves, reduced pain, more energy production, deeper and relaxing sleep, overall health and well-being. Neuropathy is 100% natural, non-transgenic and gluten-free. Manufactured here in the United States, with GMP certification ensuring pharmaceutical-grade quality. Neuropathy is formulated in an FDA-registered facility that adheres to strict requirements. Thousands of people are getting great results with Neuropathy and you can get great results too. However, just be a little realistic about your treatment because we all have different metabolisms. We recommend taking 1 capsule twice a day, 20 or 30 minutes before a meal with a glass of water. If you want to test Neuropathy, you should know that you can test it for 60 days, and if you do not like or do not see results, you can ask for a refund and they will give you all your money back. In order for Neuropathy to actually take effect, take it for at least 6 months, okay? And during this period of time I'm sure you will start to see great results. I had great results. Friends I recommended Neuropathy also had great results and they are very happy now. So that you can also be one of them, do not forget to check the link of the official website in the description box that is below this video and give Neuropathy a chance, okay? I am sure you will fall in love with this product. Remember that it helps you to have a life free of nervous problems, and remember that this treatment is 100% natural, which means that there are no contraindications and anyone can take it. Well guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope I made it clear to you about what Neuropathy is, how it works and what it does. And any questions just leave here in the comments. Bye.